Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's subject will be the OBR 34 engine read with the casing and putting on the new 35cc cylinder that's just come out on the market, and we're going to convert this OBR engine to a 37.7cc engine. Well, 38, but that's what the numbers are, 37.7. Okay, right. So we start out with the reed casing in OBR. This is an earlier one. The later one they did drill a hole for so you can lube your bearings and seal, which I probably will do before I put it all back together. Anyway, that's what we're using. We're using the 35cc cylinder at C. As you can see, I have JB weld the inlet port, which you got to do on a reed. So you're putting an extra transfer port in, which makes it a proper transfer port. All still in the roughing. So I've got to finish it off, make it a little bit wider and get the angle right on that transfer port towards the top. Alright, so you've got to put a little bit of work in these. Anyway, so what I've done, clean up inside. You've got more room in the transfer inside here, which is about that area there is about half, it's a lot thinner, so I've got more flow. My transfer ports, plates, I do my own. You can buy an OBR transfer plates, and basically what they are is the angles change. So JB welding that, so we get it to get the transfer ports, the fuel in there going towards the spark plug type thing. So anyway, that saves you money. Did my own. That's what I've done. Right. So with the what's left, I've got to do is finish off the transfer port, which is will make it 5 all up. Do the hole in the piston for the boost port to work, and right, and the other thing what I've got to do is, okay, where are we? Okay, you can see why you got to grind a bit off and flush down. Normally I machine this down to allow for the cylinder match with the casing. So the only thing what I got to do, I've got to do the exhaust. I got to do the mapping on that. We'll probably do a video doing a degree wheel on it, and just work out how much duration that the exhaust port is open for. And see what the blowdown is at the same time. Right, that'll be in the next video. So in here I've got a relief on the casing. That section there, and you've got to cut a bit out on your base gasket to allow for your transfer port. So yeah, it's in the rough. Got to finish it off. You've got to make sure it's nice and deep. You know, if you don't make it nice and deep, you don't get the proper transfer port. That's what you're trying to achieve. Plus you got to, when you do your window, just hang on a moment, do your window one side, then you cut a section out here, so more duration opening on the inlet for more fuel, because you got a reed that works as a check valve, so you get no fuel bouncing back out of the carburetor while it's running. Alright, so right guys, class got a hole in that pipe to suit the placement. Should work quite well. Ollie Mac make really good pipes. So hopefully the next video. So what I had to do, using a Rovan crank at the moment, it's a +2. Now using your existing base gasket, so I'm using a +2 Rovan crank. Right, so you got to use that base gasket plus a copper gasket 0.3, and that'll give you 0.6 millimeters of squish. Okay, that'll be decent enough. The thing is, guys, you got to watch out for this. Like when you run a stroker crank and you're using gaskets and whatever, you got to check for free porting, which is not far off it actually when I checked it out. So guys, right, you cannot take anything off the base of this. You doing that, and plus you got a 1 mil up, 1 mil down. Yeah, there's practically nothing you can take off that base, right? Because you'll free port it. So let you know. So if you want to convert your 32 to what's that? 37.7. All right. You're using a +2 crank. This base gasket plus 0.3 will give you 0.6 squish. Yeah, and yeah, it should be interesting when she's done. We'll have a lot of go, and we'll do a video hopefully with the degree wheel, what the numbers are. And the next video after that, we'll do a run video. Right, guys, hope helps out a lot of people. Oh, the other thing with this cylinder, better off running without the copper gasket. Okay, because it actually puts the transfer port, this plate out more, and then you just got big gaps and everything. You're better off fitting it straight up. Make sure you've got no interference. Make sure that part's not protruding into your cylinder. Hit the ball, which it doesn't on this. So I've got a bit of slight work. This one here, I'm sorry, that one there. Yeah, she's all good. It's in the rough. There's only a little fraction, a little bit of work to do on this, but she's done. Right, guys, just remember, this method or madness. May the force be with you, and I'll see you on the next one.